Have you seen questions about our shipping times? Let us clear that up right now. At Racext, we're proud to offer super fast shipping with DHL to customers all over the world. Our standard delivery time worldwide is just 3 to 7 days. Yes, you heard that right. 3 to 7 days to get your product delivered no matter where you are. We think that's pretty amazing, and we're really proud to provide such a fast, reliable service. Of course, if you're ordering from a remote island in the middle of the ocean or a small village in Asia, shipping might take a little longer. But don't worry, these delivery times apply to 97% of our shipments, and we're confident your order will arrive quickly. What happens if there's a delay? We've got you covered. If your shipment takes longer than expected, you can always choose our full refund option. We understand that sometimes after waiting a while, a customer might change their mind or decide they want different products. That's completely fine with us. At Racext, our top priority is to keep our customers happy and satisfied. Fast shipping, flexible returns, and a team that's always here to help. That's the Racext promise. And if you're wondering about our return process, we've got a video for that too. Check out our video explaining how our 30-day guaranteed return policy works, starting from the date you receive your product. We offer a 100% refund with zero explanations needed, because at Racext, your satisfaction always comes first.